Here is how you can fix permanently suspended Twitter account and appeal for the removal of suspension. Hello everyone, welcome back to app tutorial. In this video, I'll show you how you can appeal for the suspended Twitter account and recover it back. So let's start. First of all, go to Twitter and log into your account. As you open Twitter, tap on your profile on the top left side. Now scroll below and go to Settings and Support. Then select Settings and Privacy. Now inside the settings, you will find Privacy and Safety option. Tap on it. Now scroll all the way below and go to Contact Us. It will open the Help Center. Now tap on Contact Us. As you scroll below in the Contact Us section, you will find this Locked and Suspended Account Issues. Tap on it. As you go to this stage, if your account has been suspended, you will get a form that you will have to fill up in order to appeal for the removal of suspension. Carefully fill up all the blank spaces and specify your reasons as to why your account should not be suspended. After that, simply submit the application. As you submit the application, the moderators and officials will check it, and if they found the reason valid, they will remove your suspension. So in this way, you can fix permanently suspended Twitter account. That's it for the video. Make sure to leave a like if you found this helpful and subscribe to the channel for further videos.